Hello trader and welcome to my channel, one of the best of the best for trading on binary options, pocket options. So let's get started. Today we have such a superb trading strategy, so we will like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's start. What are you waiting for? So we're on a broker. Today we have $800 on my balance. Remember it, you may see at the end of the video much more money. Today we have an OTC market, guys. I choose all the currency pairs, which means on the broker now exchange quotes prevail inside, and on almost all currency pairs there is a high percentage of payments, and this is an excellent opportunity to earn even more money for the same number of transactions. Today the movement is quite difficult for me, so I had to select a fairly large number of indicators. Today we're analyzing downchain channel with a period of 20, weighted moving average with a period of 15, a fractal with default settings, and CCI oscillator with a period of 10. Today we will navigate both the trend and the formation of new extreme points, monitor the intra-channel movement, and I will pay attention to the areas of the overbought and oversold areas. In general, I will try to explain in detail each transaction I opened. As usual, we will be guided as well as individually by indicators, so collectively they will show us some signals. In general, I think everything will be clear, right? So I'll start with the transaction of $400 and I'll select the first currency pair for today's session. Alright, here short position for the formation, so to speak, of new extreme point. A relatively good entry, but the most ideal would be opening at the very touch of the upper moving line of the channel indicator, right? However, here I'm guided by the fact that our moving line of the oscillator is in the overbought area. Accordingly, it should follow by an exit downwards. Also, good point of contact, the formation of local maximum and touching the upper moving average of the channel indicator, which is why I opened short position here. And let's watch the results. We have 13 seconds now, and let's just wait. And our first position is in profit, guys. That's great. As you can see, strategies works. Good signal, and accordingly I fixed the profit. So changing the amount of the trade values, put $500, and let's continue trading. I'll select the next currency pair for you. Alright, let's try to open long here, but I would not say that this is a good entry point. Most likely the trade here will close in the negative because we have a very large shadow of the candles, but in general open in the direction of the trend after the formation of new extreme point, a new local minimum I'm talking about. I still open, in the direction of the dynamics. This always straightens the signal. Here the formation of new extreme point, the fractal also shows the local minimum and exit from the oversold area of the oscillator, and this is the entry logic I have here. Right, the opening level is quite inconvenient, but still the dynamics of the movement show ascending volumes, and we have 5 seconds. Let's just wait for it, and yep, we're in the profits anyway. We're in the profits, so that's great. Let's change the amount. I was expected negative results, but as you can see, the strategy works perfectly. So let's continue. Let me just find another entry point. Alright, long position goes in. Here we open against the direction of the trend, and it seems like I saw that the intersection of the weighted moving average from bottom to top began to occur. We also formed a new extreme point, a new local minimum here, right? But here I already realized that the downward dynamics are a little more dominant here. Also, during the last part of the movement, we see a good rollback of the dynamics. And in general, after touching and forming new local lows, good price rollbacks follow, despite the fact that the downward dynamics are here. But in general, I didn't get into the deal. This also happens, it's okay. And yes, our moving average reverses. So yeah, I expected minus, and here it is. Let's put down the maximum for a full deposit. I'm in a plus like $200, right? So I need to get an even better profit for me today. Let's continue and select the next currency pair. Alright, let's try again. Here I'll open a trade for long in the direction of the trend. I think that further upward dynamics should be taken shape now after this pullback, and I think that the body of this candle should now be approximately like this, and further dynamics with the appearance of a new candle should go upward. We can notice approximately the same similar situation here with this rollback. Here also the deal was closed open after the formation of extremum points, and in this area I observed the intersection of the weighted moving average from bottom to top, and since the trend we have an upward here, it's better to open in the direction of the trend. And in this trade I open again in the direction of the trend. So let's wait for the last seconds, and we're in the profits. That's great. Yeah, we didn't see a new candle, but the previous candle closed with a very large shadow. Most likely the price rolled back sharply, but that's exactly what I was counting on. And in general, my minute has passed and the deal I recorded in a plus. So okay, this is trading for today, guys. Quite interesting strategy. As I said, movement for today is quite difficult. I'm not gonna risk, I'm not gonna gamble. I'm fine by this profit. Today's profit gonna be, I guess, 1,120. So yeah, this is it. You guys should be aware of difficult market too. That's why we don't need to risk our deposit, right? Be smart, and operation is successfully done. So that's the trading for today, guys. Waiting for your comments. Don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube channel, Telegram channel. You may find links below the description. So have a good market. Do not risk, do not gamble. Bye bye. So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.